guys, today I'm going to show you how to check what your phone number is on your iPhone. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, let's go to our phone app and make sure that you are at the Contacts tab right here at the bottom middle. Once you're here, you should be able to see your card and you can tap it on your name and you should be able to see your mobile phone number at the bottom right here. Another option to see it is to go to our settings, scroll down to the very bottom, and let's go to apps. In here, let's look for the phone app, so go to the P section and tap on phone. From here, you should be able to see the My Number option. You can tap on that and you should be able to see your phone numbers in here, including your eSIMs. Also, if you do have eSIMs, you can go back to the main settings page, scroll up, and go to cellular. And under the SIM section, you should be able to see your phone number as well as your eSIMs. You can also choose to turn on the other to be the primary number associated with your iPhone and to have the other roles for your phone, such as being used for cellular data or for use to travel. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.